On June the 5th, 1967, the Middle East erupted into what became known as the Six-Day War. Ordered to within earshot of the battle zone was the USS Liberty, a signals intelligence collection ship. On June the 8th, the Liberty was patrolling 22 kilometers off the Sinai coast, though in international waters, its close proximity to the Arab-Israeli conflict made it a vulnerable target. At 2 o'clock that afternoon, Israeli planes mounted an attack. As the Liberty was engulfed by fire, Israeli torpedo boats joined the attack. Incredibly, the pummeled Liberty did not sink, but 34 died and 170 were wounded. The next day, as the crippled vessel limped towards Malta, Israel offered apologies. Its military leaders claimed it had mistaken the American vessel for an Egyptian transport, the Al Khazir.
When I heard about it, I was sad, and I was not the only one. There was no cause, there was a mistake, and it's a pity that, good people are being killed by a mistake.
Some historical analysis has suggested otherwise. It's been pointed out that on the day of the attack, Israel had almost completed its overwhelming victory over its Arab enemies. But Israel's primary objective, the Golan Heights, was still held by the Syrians. By attacking the Liberty, the Israelis may have been trying to prevent America from learning the full extent of its gains. Concealing this information would have been crucial in staving off American intervention to stop the war before the Golan could be won. Whatever the truth, the fate of the Liberty is poignant evidence of cryptology's inherent peril.